Huaao Welding Machine Wolf Series. All-digital ARM Cortex-M human-computer interaction control technology. Faster and more accurate transmission. Digital operator interface. Single knob operation. Welding parameters can be operated. One-touch electrode selection is foolproof for novices. Automatic voltage recognition and lockout. Power-saving design. 10 seconds short circuit protection. VRD low voltage shock protection technology. Current regulation accurate to amp. Precise arc starting current 0到100, a continuously adjustable. Significantly improved arc heading performance. Thrust current 0到100, a continuously adjustable.
Significantly improves the welding process of 47, 506, 507 welding electrodes.
Vertical welding and maintenance welding 360 degrees all-round welding. Durable and beautiful engineering plastic housing. Large output sockets. Power on automatically remembers the last working status. You know the spirit of the wolf.